food safety and hygiene for kids.
The correct food choices can really help make us strong, fit, and healthy. However, many foods and even healthy foods can make us ill when not using safe and hygienic practices while handling, preparing, cooking, or storing it. That's why we're going to learn food safety and hygiene for kids. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get used to it. Trust me, I'll make this video fun and easy to understand. What should we remember before handling food?
First, think of your personal hygiene. Remove any jewelry because you don't want to lose them and you don't want to end up storing it in your body. Tie back your hair. The hair might get stuck in the food, etc. And you don't want that to happen.
Wear an apron and roll up your sleeves. This stops your clothes getting messy and having bacteria on. Wash your hands with soap and water because washing your hands keeps your hands clean. You don't want any bacteria on it, right? You might use some gloves too if you want to. You can ask a grown-up for it as well. So, guys, what is cross-contamination? You can pause the video if you want to. Okay, contamination is the action or state of making or being made impure by polluting or poisoning. For cross-contamination, it means germs spread from one food to another. So, to avoid cross-contamination, pay attention to these advices. It's important that raw and cooked food are separated so bacteria don't spread. Use different chopping boards for food such as raw meat and vegetables, fish, or bread. Also showing cold codes, so this is easy to do. So thanks for watching. This video will continue in part 2. It will be coming soon, so wish me luck!